Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to invite friends on Scrabble Go. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Start off by launching open your Scrabble Go application from your app drawer. Once you end up in the main home page for Scrabble Go, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. You will then be able to see a link which you can send to your friends so that they can join in with you in the game. Simply tap on this orange send link button right beneath your profile and then select one of your contacts from your list or use one of the messaging application and send the link to one of your contacts. Simply tap on your contact's name and tap on yes in order to forward the link to them. Once you send in the link to the person and after they join in with your link, you will be able to play along with your friends on Scrabble. You can also go ahead and tap on the friends icon right next to your profile picture at the top left. And from your friend list page, go ahead and tap on invite friends button at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, you can send an invitation to play with your friends and receive a reward once your invite is accepted. Simply go ahead and select one of the applications displayed at the bottom and send in the invitation link to your friends. You can also directly send your link by tap on the share icon at the bottom right and select one of the contact you'd like to add and send the invite link to. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to invite a friend on Scrabble Go. Once your friend accepts your invitation, you'll receive some rewards and play together. That is how you can easily send an invitation on Scrabble Go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.